What's going on, guys and gals? Chris with the BODDAMN versus the Estrella channel, and today we have a very special video for you. We're actually going to do a viewer request. There was a comment that came down the other day, and we are actually going to film a video based on that comment. Welcome to the vlog. Here's the comment right here from Heather Lundberg. What liquid does she use to make the protein pudding, or was the protein a liquid? I couldn't tell. And she's referring to the pretty basic first meal that Whitney, my wife, concocts some of the mornings here in Austin, Texas throughout the week. It's a pretty fast kind of thing, and I think she's making it right now. You making it right now?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so, oh, she's all organized. Say what? Okay, so these are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need a house with a dog. You're gonna need this sort of flooring, about this high, pocket high little cabinet thing. And then you're gonna need these other things here. You're gonna need some shoulder gains. Go back and do that again. Oh my god, oh my god. Massive shoulder gains. All right, let's get to the program. So we're gonna show you how to build this meal. It's really good, whether you're male or female. This is a really good thing that you can start making in a pinch, and it will not tax you on calories, and in fact, it will give you really good protein numbers, and pretty good on the fat numbers too, right? I see some flax things, and we have the honey pecan, we have the pecans and the coconut in this one thing. You're about to see a really good recipe go down. Make sure you hit the like button early, and don't forget, we love comments, and comments are gonna steer the channel in the direction it needs to go eventually. So we love seeing the comments, we wanna see them. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
So you can use any vegan protein. I choose vegan because I am vegan, but Sun Warrior protein is my go-to because it mixes well, it's smooth, it's not gritty. I usually do 2 scoops. If I can get it out. 2 scoops of that. This is such a simple recipe too, and I make it the night before, that way I can just grab it from the refrigerator and go the next morning and not have to worry about it. So 2 scoops of protein. I also like to have a little more chocolate in there, so I put in some regular cacao powder.
Now, where did you get this?
Costco.
Costco had this.
I use a lot because I like it really chocolatey. So this is like no sugar added kind of thing, just straight cacao powder.
And that's about a small spoon, like a dessert spoon, the average dessert spoon. So you saw what she put in there?
Yep. And then I use flax milk. You can use any type of milk, really. I choose to use flax milk. The nutrition facts are really good on it. There's no sugar added or anything like that. So, and I like the way it tastes. It's actually really good stuff. So I usually do about a cup of that, depending on how you like the consistency of it. So we'll see if that's enough. If not, I'll add a little bit more. And then I just kind of whisk it away. You don't need a whisk, you can do it with a fork. It's easier for me. Should I do a snap?
No.
Go back to it.
We'll watch it. We're gonna watch it.
Babe. It takes a little bit to...
There are no snaps. Okay, so basically what you're saying is that it's pretty easy to do. We're not gonna edit anything. We're gonna just show you how easy it is to make this thing. And she's whisking away right here on a Sunday evening because she's making this for Monday. She has a medium grade day tomorrow at work, and she probably doesn't want to wake up and make this in the morning, right?
Right.
This thing should be ready to pull out of this actual bowl. So she's gonna make it in this thing, and then she's gonna top it with whatever, and then put a lid on it, and it's ready to pull out of the fridge. So that way you're not blowing 10 bucks, 15 bucks at these smoothie stores to get like a acai bowl or whatever. And it's okay if you want to do those kind of things, but this kind of stuff saves you money, and it's way healthier. So think about it.
You can kind
here we go.
of see the consistency. I mean, it's totally dependent on what you like.
Got it.
So, look at my cute little piggy thing.
We see it.
It's so cute. Anyway, so next, I usually just add any kind of fruit or berries that we have here. Let's see, some blackberries. That one still has a flower on it or something.
Now, if they're going to put any kind of fruit, what kind of fruit does it need to be?
I usually do berries just because berries have so much more antioxidants and not really a lot of sugars, so I like
regular berries or
organic
berries?
Organic. Everything's organic, guys. Come on.
Yeah, if you're gonna go in the trouble of making something so good for you, like don't skip out on non-organic fruits.
Yeah.
Okay. So about a handful, right? Of each, it looks like. Handful and a half, maybe each.
And then I cut up a couple strawberries. These strawberries have almost had it their day.
While she's cutting up those strawberries, I'll give you kind of insight on the fruit and how we do it. So we buy all our fruit. Obviously, we don't grow any of this in the backyard or anything like that. We buy it all, and we go usually twice to the Costco's here in Austin, Texas. We have two that are within 4 miles of the house, and they seem to have pretty good organic fruits when they're in season. So it doesn't matter what fruit it is. If it's in season and it's organic, Costco will get distribution of it. And it's relatively cheap. You can also buy organic fruits at places like farmers markets, your local health food stores, but that's where you get those kind of stuff. And plan to go every 3 or 4 days, correct?
Yes.
Yeah,
you don't want nasty fruit. It loses nutrients over time, so the more fresh, the better.
That's looking pretty good already right there. It's not even done, is it?
Almost. You know what I forgot to get out of the fridge? My goji berries. So goji berries are another super healthy superfood that I like to add on there. Just a little palmful, I guess. I like the texture, to be honest. I mean, they kind of taste salty almost, but I don't know. They're good for you. Super high in vitamin C and iron. That's weird.
Vitamin iron, okay.
Vitamin iron.
Vitamin iron. It's rich in vitamin iron, guys.
Yeah, good source of fiber as well. And then to top it all off, I use some sort of granola. I am vegan, but you'll notice that this does say honey. I do make exceptions for honey, as long as it's taken and not harming the bees. I don't mind. So anyway, I do about a handful of this as well. This granola is actually really good. To be honest, it's a lot more expensive than the granola I usually get. I usually get, it's called Hempia granola. That's a blueberry granola.
Hemp, yeah. Hemp and then Y-A, right?
Hemp, Y-E-A-H.
Oh, Y-E-A, like, yeah, okay.
Yeah. But this one's actually really, really, really good.
Yeah.
So, but it's like 3 times as expensive, so. And that's it. That's my, I guess you could say my lunch. Everyone else's breakfast, I guess. I do intermittent fasting, so I usually don't eat till 12 or 1 o'clock. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions. What? What's that?
Hit the...
If you liked it, give me a thumbs up.
Okay.
And the notification bell to
wow.
get any kind of...
Notification bell, that's right. Hit that and make sure you subscribe. We're gonna look at the comments, so any other comments you got, whether it's losing fat, losing weight, gaining muscle, nutrition, whatever, the things that we do behind the scenes, let us know. We would love to film a video for you. We'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.